The other day, I was thinking about getting another book, the Bhagavad Bhagavad Gita, and then I told my coworker, he's Indian, and then he gave me a copy. So now I have another book, a gift. So we'll dig into it in the near future. But for now, we're gonna read you um, a poem, not a poem, like a little story from this book, Cantos, Cuentos y Poesía de los Niños y las Niñas Nahuas de Morelia, Michoacán. I'm gonna read some Nahuatl from Michoacán. Itzintla Ostotl Temamoitilo, la cueva de los espíritus. This is all to work through my pronunciation in Nahuatl. And of course to learn some of it. Onca se Ostotl Campa Tepetl, Quitoa te Mamochtilo, Tlatoli, Quito, Nechanti, Nanahualti, Paki, Kawaya, Tominci, Shakimati, Tliao, Omishke, Omishke, Sekime, Tohniwa, Ki Nekia, Kish, Tekisia, Tominci, Ama, John Panemi, Jo Mihke, Te Mamosha. Aquí tiene el otro lado en español, pero we're just gonna say Nahuatl. Who knows how I translate it to English too? Because we are becoming trilingual.